Hey guys, this is a walk around of a 2006 BMW 323i Coupe for sale for $15,990 drive away. Towards the front, got some biseted headlamps as you can see. Looks quite nice. And you got your traditional BMW halo rings. Got your headlight washers integrated to the front bumper there. Turbo hook. Fog lights. It's quite nice. Got chrome BMW kidney grille here. Looks really nice. This car has done 166,000. Done 166,688 kilometers. Indicators. Got blacked out wheels. They are Bridgestone tires. The Bridgestone Potenzas, and they are 17-inch wheels. I'd like to see that. You can have a look at the blacked out wheels. Got some nice chrome trim. Also have a sunroof there. Antenna. The tail lights. The rear end. Got dual exhausts. Looks like a parking sensors integrated to the rear bumper there. Sorry, I think got third braking light there. Slipped in the handle. It's a coupe as I mentioned, so obviously you have two doors. So boot. Storage over here. You have your warning triangle, I presume. You have a BMW first aid kit, some storage here. Your tools, your various tools. For when you need a tow. Got a little cargo net here. Quite handy. I'll press this up. See, you got some more additional storage towards the bottom there. And access to some electricals. Also have a little hold down items, and you got two little hooks here and a power outlet. Car driver in the background. Manual tailgate, as I mentioned. Hold it. Runs on either three, preferably 98, 95 or 98 octane. Protected by data technology. So rear seats, which I'll get to in a minute. Frameless windows. It's very nice. It's the interior. So I got my bag in the way.
cool.
Manual seats, but not trim adjustment. Here's the interior. I'll just put this back here so you can have a better look. There we go. Here's the interior of the 323i Coupe. See? A little bit dirty here. Got your speedometer, your fuel gauge, your rev counter, your temperature of your engine. You also have a little display, LCD display cluster, displays all the information. Got some nice brushed aluminium trim here. Got a leather wrapped steering wheel. It's quite nice. It's nice black stitching. Also some volume controls over here. Hand-free telephone. Once I've got some nice feedback. Up here. Station. Got your indicator, parking lights, and your wiper controls over here. And you've got the cruise control settings right over here. Sorry about the position of the camera. I seem a bit off center. That's because of the fact I got a new camera, so I'm trying to get used to that, so I do apologise. Got your lights over there. Some nice metal trim here. Go over here, you got a padded glove box. That's quite nice. You have cup holders. Quite nice. Adjustable as well. Looks like this one appears to be a bit stuck. No big deal, can always be fixed. Radio.
You know, I mean, I think he's a very talented man, and I saw something recently that he did on TV with an orchestra in the round, and he was absolutely amazing.
BMW professional.
So yeah, he's a gifted guy.
Well, let's play this for you. It's Beck's Loser with
5:30 on Triple J.
G'day, you are. Or Samantha. This para aumentar la cobertura.
Legend, nothing.
Good sound system. This is a professional system. You got business and professional. This is the more high-end sound system, as you can tell. If I turn that back on, you can also change your stations to AM stations if you want to, or you can change it to FM. Settings. Just to scroll through. Yeah. Sorry, I meant to go back. And you can change your little settings here if you want to change it to your tuner, your CD, or your aux. It's quite useful. CD, tuner. Insert your CD, and back to where you were. Good stuff. Anyway, got your climate control here. Looks quite nice. Got your passenger, driver, your fan speeds, demister. Runs some nice feedback to it. Got your hazards. It's nice and soft touch here. Don't have the iDrive system here, it's optional extra. Engine start stop. Got some storage here. Got your keys and stuff. You got a cigarette lighter and a power outlet as well, which is quite handy. Automatic transmission. Leather shift boot, some back stitching. Storage here. Nice aluminum trim here. Press this out. You got a aux in and a power outlet and a cup holder. And is that a cup holder or is that an ashtray? I'm not too sure. It looks like a heated cup holder. Oh, I know. I don't know. I'm not too sure about that. Well, you got some storage there. Quite nifty. Okay, you got a vanity mirror. It's quite nice. Got another one for the passenger. Got driver lights. Wait. Not driver, reading lights, sorry. Got a sunroof, so you can obviously adjust the sunroof, but you can't do that with the key. Got, I believe, leather seats. Could be vinyl, not too sure. Feels like leather. I think they're vinyl, not too sure. And you got some nice black stitching here. Nice bolstering. It's all soft touch here. I think I slightly showed you. Got some storage here. Got more stuff on the sides. Keys, bits and bobs. Some more storage there. It's funny, back in 06 things were a lot different. Now these pockets are quite big on cars now, but back then they didn't really care that much about them, which is interesting. So you got a soft touch here. Leather. Very nice. I did mention this car does have rear seats, which I'm going to try in just a minute. Handbrake with a shift boot. Yeah, I'm just going to show you the rear seats right now. All this trim is all black too. Doesn't look to be sprayed those. Didn't get a proper chance, but I might just show you again. Got some storage here, and it's all nice and padded. And you've got some here, I didn't actually see that before. Looks like this trim's been sprayed. Matte black. It's a manual seat, but you can see the front here is electric. Which I'm moving all the way in this position purposely so I can get to the front. Might have to manually just do it. So you do have rear seats, and as like you can see here, if you pull this handle here, this folds. Oh, there you go, it slides automatically when I think about that. And you have access to your door on the way to your rear seats here, which is quite nifty. Which I'm about to show you right now. Pretty easy access. You pull the seat back, and you have access to your rear seats. And that comes in. Technically, it goes up to here the seat, but I moved it really forward. But yeah. So it's a 4-seater, obviously. And that's here. Got a ashtray next to your vents. Got some additional storage here. Some more here. You have a armrest, which is very nice. Looks brand new actually, this one. Pull this out. Oh, got 2 cup holders. Quite nice. And we'll check out the dashboard from the rear seat. Looks very nice. Just about to swap seats so we can look at the other seat, what it looks like. I don't believe the seats do fold down. Do have little hooks there if you want to tie on a baby seat, which is quite useful. See those? Right there. Yeah, quite nice. Got 2 reading lights here. And a hook for I would assume that if you drive a car like this, you'll have a seat or something like that. Seat back there. And if you want to move the seat forward, back, and that slides forward as you know, giving you plenty of access to get out. As you can see, you have access to all this. It's very nice. And I'll slide this back. Again, have a look at the seats again. Plenty of foot space. Might show you the engine.